Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to copy post link on Instagram. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So for this you first need to open up Instagram, but make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So just go to the Play Store and Apple App Store and update your Instagram application and open up Instagram on your Android and iOS. And then let's suppose that if I wanted to copy the link of this post here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just tap on three dots at the top right here of this post, and here you can see we have this message icon here. So I will just tap on this one, and then from here you can see that I have this copy link option. Okay, so just tap on this one, and here the tick means that you have successfully copied the link here. And then what I will do, let's suppose that if I wanted to share this post on WhatsApp with someone, I will just open a WhatsApp and I will just share the post with this person. So I will just open up his chat and I will just paste the link here and I will just send the link to this person. So that's how to copy post links. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.